I bet you didn't know that your post-workout meal could make or break your gains. Let's dive in. Here are the 5 best foods to eat after a workout for fast muscle recovery. Number 1. Chicken breast. Packed with lean protein to repair those muscles and keep you feeling full. Number 2. Sweet potatoes. These carbs help replenish your energy levels so you're ready to crush your next workout. Number 3. Greek yogurt. It's creamy, delicious, and loaded with protein and probiotics to boost digestion. Number 4. Bananas. They're easy to grab and packed with potassium to prevent cramps and speed up recovery. And finally, number 5. Almonds. A handful of these nuts gives you healthy fats and protein, perfect for muscle repair. So next time you finish a workout, remember these 5 power foods. Fuel up, recover fast, and get back to smashing those goals. Hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your fitness buddies. Let's keep growing stronger together.